If we take this burden with this broken leg, we can nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. If you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing, but when I wake up, your makeup is on my shoulder. And tell me if I lie down, would you stay now and let me hold you? Oh, but if I kissed you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. My little bird, my little bird. We could take a walk out in the morning dew. We could lay down so next to you. Come inside for a little homemade tea. And if you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, you see it's late, love, go back to sleep. I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now under this oak tree with you beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste our lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. My little bird, my little bird, my little bird.